Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Josue back here with us for his 8th of 8th treatment this week. We've been treating him twice a day for 4 days in a row. He came in here originally with a fairly significant scoliosis. Cassandra came with him, and they've been documenting his scoliosis with pictures of his back. And would you mind taking that up there and showing the very first one? That's the very first. That's before you even came here, right?
Yeah, that's before.
That's the night before.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then slide it over. This is after the first adjustment.
Okay.
And then this is after the second adjustment. So we've been doing them after each adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
This is the third adjustment. So you can see the curvature's not as swooping to the left as it was, and then we get all the way. Is that today's or yesterday's? No, that's yesterday's.
This is
Look at
this
today's.
morning.
Yeah, this is after this morning's adjustment. That's significant change objectively in his scoliosis from the posterior view. Thank you, Cassandra, for showing those. You want to grab one end, I'll grab the other. Okay, Josue, let's have a look at you here. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. Now, I've done another unique adjusting procedure on Josue to help the process along with that scoliosis. So we're going to do that one first this afternoon. Paper just gives me head. There we go. Okay. Now see, he has a little bit of a left convexity, so I have been contacting the lateral aspect of the spine. It's at T12L1 and adjusting it straight left to right, and that's a really deep adjustment in the Josue.
Oh yeah.
Yep. He's a trooper, though.
You're missing those all day.
How long of a flight is it back to Boston?
I think it's like 4.5 hours.
4.5, that's not too bad.
I'm not sure.
Just get up, move around the aisles when you're going back. Don't just sit there the whole time. There you go. Home run again. See? So still do it.
Wow.
There you go. That's it. You smooth. See, the second one here today. See, it wasn't as loud. Crack eggs will still love you. All right, let's come over here on your tummy now.
All right.
There you go. Now, when he first came in, his right leg was shorter by about 1/2 inch. It's exactly even now. And it stays even all the way up here. And that doesn't tighten up too much in your lower back anymore, does it, Josue?
Not much.
So I'm still adjusting his sacroiliac joints bilaterally, as well as his sacrum, which I'm adjusting that straight superior to inferior and posterior to anterior, S to I and P to A. And then get on L5, straight P to A, L4 straight P to A, L3 P to A. Notice the angle on my arm's changing the further I come up into the lumbar spine and lower thoracic. Now I've already adjusted the lower thoracic, upper lumbar region. So I'm going to come up above that. There we go. Okay. Better. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. upside down this way just a bit, and let's put both arms straight out. There we go. Okay, just relax this. Let this go. There you go. Super.
There it is.
Yep. So if Cassandra don't mind, I'm gonna have Renee come back here and I'm gonna have you remove your shirt and show them the real view. Is that okay? Is that okay with you, Cassandra?
Of course.
You know, there's probably gonna be lots of chicks on there making sexist comments, so just disregard those trolls. The unfortunate part is there'll probably be a lot of guys on there too. Alright, let's come over here now. Okay, Renee, come back here now. Behind
Where?
Behind Josue.
Okay.
Okay. Dun dun
God.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That's significantly straighter. Shoulders are level, head's right down the middle. Butt's a little bit to the right. Still got a little right translation there, but let's show them how we do that. Okay, we'll pull these guys here, here. Now shift your pelvis straight left. See, doing this will help also straighten that curvature as well. Okay. Try that again. Forward and backwards.
Oh, wow.
Should feel smoother. Now see, his pelvis is more centered now than it was before. And his spine's pretty straight. You got a little convexity to the left right there, but it's nothing like it was on
Not even close.
So what would you have to share with our YouTube audience around the world about your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief this week? How's it been for you?
Well, coming from like the first appointment and all the way down now to the 8th, it's definitely been a huge change. Like I could feel the difference just in my body mechanics, just walking around throughout the day out in Houston, and it's like it's you can just feel the difference immediately from that very first visit.
Energy
like very
levels
first,
too,
yeah.
huh?
Oh yeah, the very first ring dinger, you can just immediately tell like wow.
Yeah.
Feel much better right from there. Yeah, it's just amazing. That decompression, just incredible, absolutely.
What have you noticed different about him this week, Cassandra?
Definitely more energy, a lot happier, more comfortable, all around. It's
Not
completely-
complaining as bad?
No, not at all. It's life-changing.
Yeah, good. That's what we like to do
Yeah,
here. Is
it was-
life-changing treatment.
Yeah, he was in constant discomfort, and
Yeah.
now he's so good.
That's great. We might even name that video then. Life-changing treatment for Boston
Very
scoliosis
life-changing.
patients. All right, thank you for sharing your story with everyone, Josue. Taking your clothes off for him. This here Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we practice hardcore chiropractic care every single day. Adjustments only. We'll see y'all soon.